Now, the Egyptians were very particular about perfumes. They were actually commanded to perfume themselves at least once a week, because at that time, perfumes were only for those who could afford them. But during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I, which was between the 15th and the 16th century, she couldn't abide by horrible smells. So, ladies were employed by Queen Elizabeth's court to create beautiful fragrances and mix perfumes so that she could enjoy the lovely smell of perfume. Perfume gloves were introduced in the 16th century in France, while in Germany, eau de cologne was introduced in the 18th century. One very important discovery during this time was that aromas of various plants and flowers could have an effect on our moods and behaviors. And now, this is what we call aromatherapy. To learn more,